Hello once again, my friends, in YouTube land. This is Winston Gel TV. Yes, Winston Gel TV coming to you live and direct on the YouTube platform. Yes, I am showing you some wonderful, items from, from the supermarket. Yes, two major supermarket, Rite and Golden Mango and other sources. Yes, so these are all, the items that I work with on my channel. Yes, when I cook my dishes, create my dishes, these are the various items that I work with. Yes, and this is only the first batch. Yes, this is part one. Yes, I am in the month of December right now. And so you see on the table, see all these goodies here. Yes, all these goodies. Oreos, cornflakes. Yes, I like to eat cornflakes dry. Just put it in a dish, in a bowl while I'm at the computer. I just munch on it. Alright, cornbread. Lots of sausage. I just pull a sausage and just eat it like that. Yes. Alright. Buttery home style, Idaho. Yes. Potato. Mashed potato, that is. Alright, cranberry juice. Alright. And Mott organic apple juice. And some pack soup over there. Yes, once in a while I eat some pack soup, not all the time. But whenever I don't feel like eating something hard or complicated, yes, I have some pack soup. And there's my flour that I use, a particular brand. And some, when you hear me talk about corned beef, yes, corned beef, Jamaican style corned beef. Reduce sodium, see that, my friends? Reduce sodium, which means less salt, but it's made in Brazil by Jamaican Grace Company. Or should I say the Brazilian making it for Jamaican Grace Company. Yes. And here I have my bowl, yogurt. Yes. These are items that are incorporated in my dish. See my carrots? Yes. And over there, lime juice and organic vinegar. And these are all the beef broths. See them? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 containers. I need to learn to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 containers between chicken broth and beef broth. Yes, macaroni and cheese. So these are the things that I used to cook my dishes with. Create. Yes. And here I have some more cran grapes, 2 different types of, one is ocean and one is bold and basket. Yes, great. And today for the first time I'm trying a new rice. Yes, trying a new rice, a special. See what it says? Bold and basket special rice. Yes. Very expensive. Not showing off, I'm just telling you, these kind of rice, when you buy them like this quality, they're very expensive. I'm not going to tell you how expensive it is. Alright. But it's very expensive. These are not your regular ordinary rice. Alright. And this might be made in India. See those elephants? See the elephants down there? This could well be made in India. Alright. So yes, I'll be using this to create and cook some nice delicious dishes. So you're seeing this on the Winston Gel TV. Yes, the Winston Gel TV. So this is part one. Alright. And here I have my onions. Yes, I have my onions. And I have my potatoes. Yes. These are the Irish. Irish. So this particular brand carries everything. Bowl and basket carries a lot of different items. So these are potatoes, yes. And here I have some Lipton iced tea, lemon mix. Yes, my friend. So these are all the items. So this is the first part. So I'm going to remove these and put the rest of them up on the table. It's a lot. So all these groceries that you see here might take me all the way through the end of January, maybe even into February. Alright, you're watching the Winston Gel TV. Alright, and there's my celeries. Yes, that's my celeries. And my scallions right here. Yes, got my scallion. And of course my bell peppers. See how pretty my dishes look? Yes, that's my bell peppers. And how delicious and tasty they are. That's my garlic. And cabbage. Cabbage, really, I don't really use cabbage into my dish, rarely. So that's just for consumption in general. But yes, most definitely. Celeries, yes, carrots, and scallion. Alright, so I'm going to get the rest of the items on there. Alright, these are the remaining items. Grocery items, yes. These are all the remaining items. So you saw the first batch. Now, these are, 3 of these are chicken, yes. And this one over here, this is called a turkey, yes. Or known as a butterball, yes. You ever come to the United States and you hear the term butterball, it means turkey, alright? And my olive oil that I like to cook with, premium brand, my ketchup, and my raisins that I snack on, Quaker Oats, yes. Have some yams. Those are sweet potatoes. They call them yams in the United States. They call them yams. Alright. And those are bean sprouts. Right there. These are bean sprout. These are incorporated into my dishes. Whenever I cook certain dishes, they're bean sprout. Yes. And these are the sweet potatoes. There's another brand, and see what they call it? Yams. So sweet potatoes, two different types, and they call them, one call it yam, and one call it sweet potatoes. Cranberry, yes, solid cranberry, and whole corn, and sweet peas, and green beans, and of course my coffee. Yes. This is decaffeinated, and of course my shrimps. Yes, you see my shrimps into my dish. These are large cooked shrimps. And you hear me talk about beef shaved steak? There it is. Beef shaved steak. This is what I use for breakfast. Alright? Yes, they're very slicely thin. Very, very slicely thin steak. And I have a couple of fine fritters here. These I'm going to incorporate when I'm cooking the butterball turkey. I'm going to try something different. Yes, I'm going to be stuffing inside of the turkey with a lot of different items. I'm going to make my own stuffing. Yes, stuffing with some fresh rice and some sausages and things of that nature, and stuff them with lots of seasoning, vegetables, bell peppers, onions, garlic, and stuff them on the inside of the turkey and then seal it up and put it in the oven. Yes, you're watching the Winston Joe TV on the YouTube platform. So this is my supplies for the remainder of December into the ending of January, the upcoming new year. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy the video. Like and share if you must. Alright? And so these are going into a dish that I will be creating on the other channel on my Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. So you're seeing this on the Winston Joe TV. And when I cook them and feature them, you will see them on the Winston Joe Cooking and Discovery TV. Thanks for viewing. Please like and share. Please support my channel. Always. Love you all. Thank you. See you soon. Winston Joe TV.
We see them flying free. That's just like you.